Hello and welcome to ADIPEC 2021. Delighted to be in Abu Dhabi at this fantastic venue, which will give us a chance to network in person for the first time in a very long time and obviously see what the energy sector has to offer. We are delighted to be exhibiting here and have many partners who are joining us. So let's go and have a chat. Here at the OGV stand interviewing our exhibition partners. Today I'm glad to be joined by Andy Buchan from Hydropulsing. Andy, how are you finding the show so far and what are you looking forward to over the next few days?
It's been a great show. It's been great to get back out on the road again, back speaking to customers. Good to get back out to the Middle East. We haven't been here for a few years, so it's really just to come out here, get back in contact with our customers, basically come out and re-establish ourselves out here.
So Andy, what are your plans for the next few years as an expansion, especially in the UAE?
I think the big thing for us is to actually get equipment down on the ground here. So we're looking at putting down some of our hydraulic packages, some of our decommissioning packages, some of our spooling packages. So that's going to be the big thing for us, rather than servicing it from the UK. We're down here, we're talking, and we're happy to be putting equipment on the ground, and that's the big change for us this year.
Andreas, can you tell us a little bit about Futron and how you're enjoying the show and what the plans are for the next coming years?
Sure, Andy. So what we have here is basically an open visual collaboration platform, which is used for field development by some of the world's leading operators. And we are really enjoying the show here this year. It's very busy, feels as if COVID never happened in a way, except everyone is wearing masks most of the time, which is great. So we're having a good show. We're engaging with some of the major national oil companies, and we're aiming to get the penetration in those accounts in the coming years and looking to expand a lot.
Good. Barry, how are you finding the show so far? And can you tell us a little bit about Hydropulsing and the plans for 2022?
Yeah, so the show has been really good. It's actually been really busy. A lot of our customers over here, because we've got like 80% of our business is in the region. So it's good to connect with new and existing customers. And for 2022, we are just trying to build on our existing product range. We've got our new Pico Circ sub, which has had its first field run. So I'm just trying to build on that and just build a product range. I mean, we're also the international dealer for Stone Age for their SpinCat tool. And that's kind of a very wide range tool. It's used greatly over here.
Can you give us a little rundown about what TPS World Tech does and what you're hoping to achieve at this year's show?
So thanks, Andy. Yep, I'm really happy to be here at ADIPEC 2021. So TPS World Tech, we manufacture and supply automated welding systems for corrosion-resistant alloy weld overlay. So anyone who wants to protect their pipes, their flanges, their tubes, their spooling from these harsh environments where it's hot and it's corrosive, and they want to put nickel on these items, say, to protect them, and then we supply systems which do this automatically. So we have a lot of clients in this region, and we've typically about a quarter of our business comes from this area, and it's really good to see it coming up again and to meet old clients and potential new ones face to face at ADIPEC. Post-COVID or during COVID, it's nice to see the projects coming back. So we've actually got a number of live inquiries we're working on. So 2022 is looking really positive for the energy industry and for TPS in the future.
Michelle, how are you finding ADIPEC this year?
Thank you, Andy. No, the ADIPEC is it's really good. It's really good to be back after 1.5 years. At this point in time, we also have the opportunity to join the OGV stand, so we really appreciate that. It's a nice location. Let's say all our customers are really nearby. ADNOC is nearby, BP, Shell, ExxonMobil. All the MICEP users are really, let's say, in the real vicinity.
Perfect, that's good to hear. So can you give us a little rundown of what MICEP actually does as a company?
Yeah, MICEP is basically separated design and rating software for the oil and gas industry. And I think it's safe to say that at this point in time that MICEP is the number one software in order to design separators and rate separators. So we're really happy with that so far.
John, how's ADIPEC 2021 been? And can you tell us a little bit about the company and what the plans are for the new year?
Yep, so we've had a great time here at ADIPEC. This is a key region for our growth for the future. We're based in Aberdeen, but we've got staff here in Dubai. So ADIPEC for us is a key function to attend to get ourselves noticed. Our plans for the region are growth. We're bringing more equipment down here. We've got some rental mud coolers, plate heat exchangers here already. And we intend to bring some mechanical separation equipment down for the market here as well. We think there's a market here for that. So yeah, it's an exciting time.
Fantastic. Great to hear some encouraging stories coming out of ADIPEC, and you made some good connections here while during the show?
Yeah, there's been a lot of interest. It's been very, very busy with customers, partners, suppliers. So it's really been a worthwhile week being here.
Perfect. Great to see you, and thank you so much for your time, John.
Thanks.